command? What is command in Filipino? Utos. Command. Strong obligation. What is obligation in Filipino?
Obligation.
Okay. So, utos or obligasyon. Okay. Must. In Filipino, dapat. Dapat. Okay. Let's read our example.
You must obey your parents.
In Filipino, what is obey? Obey. Sundin.
Dapat mong sundin ang iyong mga magulang.
Okay, in English?
You must obey your parents.
In Filipino?
Dapat mong sundin ang iyong magulang.
In English?
You must obey your parents.
What is the English of the word, English form of the word dapat? Or English translation? Dapat. You must obey your parents. Dapat. In English, must. Okay, very good. Next,
Can, could.
in Filipino, can,
Pwede.
kaya,
Kaya.
okay, magagawa, right? Okay, let's read.
To express a request or ask permission.
Okay, same with this, may and might, right? If you're asking for permission, papaalam ka, or if you're requesting for something, okay, same with can or could. But, ang pinagkaiba, the difference between these is that may and might are more formal. Can and could, pwede mong gamitin, you can use with your friends, family members. May and might is more formal. You can use it with your teacher, yeah, police officer, your parents, maybe the president. So, it's more polite, more formal. Mas polite siya. Mas magalang. Okay? For example,
Can I go with my best friend?
can I go with my best friends?
Could I have your book?
Could I have your book? What does it mean in Filipino? Can I go with my best friend? What is best friend? What is best friend?
Matalik na kaibigan.
Yes, correct. Go with
Pumunta.
sumama.
Sumama.
So, can I go with my best friend? In Filipino is
Pwede. Pwede ba akong sumama sa aking
matalik.
na kaibigan?
In English,
Can I go with my best friend?
in Filipino,
Pwede ba akong sumama sa matalik kong kaibigan?
in English.
Can I go with my best friend?
Very good. Yung modal verb natin is
Can and could.
very good. Very good. Next, could
Could I have your book?
in Filipino.
Pwede ko bang mahiram ang libro mo?
Yes, mahiram or pwede ko bang makuha. Okay. Very good. Can and could means
To
to
express a fact, ability, offer, or suggestion.
fact. Ibig sabihin in Filipino, katotohanan. Ability,
Abilidad.
abilidad, kakayahan, effort. Okay. So we can also use can and could for that. For example,
I can or could do this task for you.
It's not a question, so your tone should not go up. I could do this task for you. So you are offering. Nagbibigay ka, right? Ng something. In Filipino. What is do?
Gawin.
Very good. So,
Pwede kong gawin ang gawain iyan para sa'yo.
very good. In English,
I can or could do that task for you.
okay, that or this task for you. Good job. Next,
Should,
ought.
ought to.
Should or ought to.
Express advice or obligation.
Advice in Filipino is payo. Advice, payo. To express advice or obligation. For example,
I should,
ought.
to drive carefully.
So it's an obligation. It's something that you must do. In Filipino,
Dapat akong mag-drive ng
maingat. Okay. Dapat ako mag-drive ng maingat. Or, drive in Filipino is magmaneho. Ito nga. Say it.
Dapat akong mag-drive.
Magmaneho.
Dapat ako magmaneho ng maingat.
Very good. In English?
I should or ought to drive carefully.
Very good. Okay, next one.
Would,
Would. We use would to.
to express a polite wish, request, demand, or order.
Okay, polite wish. Okay. Request, demand, order. Do you understand these? Yes, all of these? Do you know all of these verbs? Demand is kagustuhan. And polite wish is hiling, kahilingan, yes? Order, you know order, right? Okay, good.
Would you please talk to me?
In Filipino.
Pwede mo ba ako kausapin?
Okay, so this is very, very polite. Actually, we can say, can you please talk to me? Could you please talk to me? But if we use would, it's very polite. What is polite in Filipino? Magalang. Okay. Sobrang galang. Very good. Next is will.
Will. To express a wish, request, demand, or
Okay.
will you talk to me?
Another use of will.
To express prediction.
Prediction means yung mga iniisip mong pwedeng mangyari sa future. Okay? Mangyari sa future.
I think.
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 Okay.
It will rain anytime today.
I think it will rain anytime today. In Filipino,
Tingin ko uulan ngayong araw.
very good. In English,
I think it will rain every time today.
anytime.
Anytime.
Anytime today. I think it will rain anytime today. Tingin ko uulan anumang oras, anytime. Anumang oras today, ngayong araw. Okay, last one. Shall.
To express suggestions.
Express. Okay. Suggestions.
Shall we proceed?
Shall.
Shall we proceed with our meeting?
With our meeting.
With our meeting.
So meaning, proceed in Filipino is magpatuloy. Shall we proceed with our meeting?
Ipapagpatuloy pa ba natin ang ating pagpupulong?
Okay, or pagpapatuloy ba natin ang ating pagpupulong? Okay, very good. Our meeting, good job. Shall we, again?
Shall we proceed with our meeting?
What is proceed?
Tutuloy.
Okay, pagtuloy, pagpapatuloy, very good. And another use of shall is to
Regulate or express future actions in formal speech and some legal documents.
Okay. Regulate or express future action. We already learned this. Future, right? Mayroon sa hinaharap. Okay. In formal speech. Ibig sabihin, formal na pananalita. Okay. Or legal documents. Sa mga dokumento na legal. For example,
you shall
abide
by the law.
Okay. So, you shall abide by the law.
Dapat mo sundin ang utos.
Batas.
Ang batas.
Okay. Batas is law. It's not utos, but it's the law. Batas. Okay. You shall abide by the law. Susunod ka sa batas. Okay.
The client shall pay the necessary damages.
Necessary damages. Again.
Necessary damages.
The client shall pay the necessary damages. Again.
The client shall pay the necessary damages.
Okay. Babayaran. What is the client in Filipino?
Cliente.
May, must, can, could,
should,
ought to,
would, will, shall.
Okay. So, may, might, can, could are the same. Must, should, ought to are also the same, but with little nuances. Would, will, shall are also the same, but different when we use in context. Okay.